This newspaper here just called my videos dispensable because they were too much of a drama. Honestly. Piece in Linz, Austria, and working together with Georg Schmiedleitner and Florian Papst. And as always, we throw away a lot of stuff. Well, sometimes things just don't fit if it's a process, and in this process, things develop. So the first 3 rounds of content design just go to the bin, and then hopefully the most important things stay. It's rehearsal time, and I'm just in time to put all the things in place before we start. So. That is, unfortunately, the stuff that I did with the camera that I carry around every day and some cheap lamp. Okay, so all that means is you don't need fancy equipment to do video projections in a piece. You just have to catch the right moment. Basically, that's it. There are a few things that are helpful when you're expecting a video artist to work at your house. First, one of these tables. They sit on the chairs and then they have legs that extend to hold them kind of flat. The flatter, the better. But it's a little difficult if you're sitting behind because you're actually too low. It's a tricky thing, but they help. Electricity that comes from a safe source, meaning that don't run it over Thyristoren. I'll link some information about Thyristoren somewhere. It needs to be clean current. Then sweets. Sweets always help. Some place to put your water. If you run a theater, never run open cups on one of these tables. Open cups are the pest of every technical setup. Don't do that. And then this. Some connection to the video connector of your choice. In this case, it's SDI. So they provided me with a little box that connects directly with a cable to the projector, which is up there somewhere, and an HDMI connection to my laptop. That way, if I do a mapping or something, I can directly connect to the projector. Up there, there it is. And I don't have to render out the files and bring them up to your desk and then we'll try it out and you see where I'm getting to. So this is something worth supplying to your video artist if there's one present in your house. It makes life for a technician a little easier, but it also brings in a lot of work because that video artist is going to do a lot more stuff while you're trying to help him. Kudos out to Christian in this case. Great technician and great help to everybody here in Linz because this is a great theater and people are doing a great job here. So yeah, I'm happy to be here. So let's get back to work and create some appearance. I'm setting up a green screen in some studio somewhere in this theater because there was the idea that tomorrow morning at the one of the Rest Tech rehearsals, we should have a appearance of the beggar. It's an absolute gift to work with these people. They're so modest and helpful, and yeah, everybody's doing their best. So yeah, another rep. We have some green screen.